Hello students, today we are doing the worksheet given by DOE. This is the worksheet for class 10 subject science. This is for 5th July. In this we are doing the bridging the gap worksheets. This is related to symbols of elements with their valences. In class 9 you have studied about cations and the anions. Cations are the positive ions and the anions the negative ions. When these combine, the formula is formed by the cations and anions. Today we will learn about the elements, their symbols and their valences. So let's start. Hydrogen. It is represented as H and its valency is +1. Similarly, silver Ag, sodium Na, potassium K all have +1 valencies. Copper may have +1 or +2. Likewise, iron shows +2 and +3 valency. These all positively charged ions are called cations. Oxygen, when it gains 2 electrons and it has a charge of -2, it will be called oxide. Similarly, sulfur, after gaining 2 electrons, it will be called sulfide. There are negative ions also, which are called anions. Oxygen or sulfur, after getting 2 electrons, they all get converted into negative ions or anions. Similarly, hydroxyl ion, chloride ion, bromide ion, iodide ion, these carry 1 electron from other atoms and thus they possess charge and known as anions. There are few elements and anions which have same symbols but different names. Likewise, oxygen, it is called oxygen as O and oxide as O2 minus, sulfur S and sulfide S2 minus, nitrogen N or nitride N3 minus. When chlorine, bromine and iodine, they take electron from other atoms, they get converted into negative ions, chloride, bromide and iodide. How formula is made? When cation and anion they combine, they give formula. While writing formula, we write the cations first and followed by the anions. The symbols or the charges are written below them or above them and they are crossed with the other ions. Like here, magnesium, it possesses positive 2 charge and this charge is carried to Cl and thus the formula will become MgCl2. The valency is always written at the subscript. In case of radicals like hydrogen carbonate, if any number is required to be written, then put radical in bracket and then write the number. Now we will do the questions. Question 1. Write the symbol and the valency of sodium. Sodium is Na and its valency is +1. Ag +1, chlorine 1, and when it takes the electron from other atom, then it becomes chloride and its charge will become Cl minus. Oxygen -2, sulfur or sulfide -2, calcium +2. Write down the formulas of the given chemical compound. Calcium carbonate CaCO3, zinc sulfate ZnSO4, aluminium sulfate Al2SO4 thrice. Silver chloride AgCl, sodium chloride NaCl, silver carbonate Ag2CO3, potassium hydrogen carbonate KHCO3, iron sulfate FeSO4, copper sulfate CuSO4। वर्कशीट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स से देख सकते हैं। जल्द ही नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट के सॉल्यूशन के साथ मिलेंगे।